is OUKITEL WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. You need to begin by going into that menu and looking for a location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings and look for location here as well. Then tap on it and use this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!